Spray like a pro. The 700-watt paint sprayer that'll make you ditch your roller forever. Tired of uneven coats, endless rolling, and paint spills? Meet the Vonforn 700 watts HVLP Paint Sprayer, the game-changer your DIY projects have been waiting for. With 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, this bad boy gives you precision, control, and speed that old-school rollers can only dream of. Whether you're tackling furniture, walls, fences, or cabinets, this sprayer delivers pro-level results with minimal effort. Plus, it's so easy to use that even a total newbie can spray like a seasoned painter in no time. What makes it better than the rest? For starters, it's got a built-in dust-blowing function, a feature you won't find in most sprayers. Say goodbye to dusty surfaces ruining your finish. And when you're done painting, the Easy Clean connector hooks straight to your faucet for hassle-free cleanup. No more struggling with clogged nozzles or leftover paint gunk. With adjustable flow control, you can fine-tune your spray for a buttery-smooth, professional finish every time. Why waste money on painters when you can do it better yourself? This sprayer isn't just powerful, it's cost-efficient and time-saving. Hiring pros or buying gallons of paint for multiple coats? Nah, forget that. With 700 watts of high-power efficiency, you'll cut your painting time in half while using less paint. More coverage, less waste, and 0 brush strokes, your projects will look flawless without breaking the bank. Customers rave that it finishes an accent wall in under an hour and makes large projects feel like a breeze. If you're serious about home improvement, this is the tool you need in your arsenal. Built to last, built to perform. Made with durable materials and designed for long-term use, the Vonforn 700 watt sprayer is engineered for performance and reliability. Unlike cheap sprayers that clog, leak, or quit mid-project, this one's tested for quality and endurance. The included cleaning brush and nozzle needle ensure it stays in top shape after every use. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a dedicated DIYer, this sprayer is your ride-or-die companion for all things paint. Affordable, effective, and seriously impressive, what more do you need? Ready to paint smarter, not harder? With pro features at a budget-friendly price, the Vonforn 700 watts HVLP Paint Sprayer is the must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast. So, why wait? Upgrade your painting game today and experience the effortless, smooth, and professional finish you've always wanted.